Question 4. First part of this question says factorise completely. You don't have to do this, but what I would be tempted to do is rewrite the question as 12x y, x cubed y, minus 18x y squared. Then you can deal with it bit by bit. You could pull 2 out or 3 out. You'd be wrong to, though, because the largest number that goes into 12 and 18 is 6. 6, 12, 18. And let's get all those numbers dealt with first. To get 6 to say 12, we'll multiply by 2. That's that dealt with. We'll pop a minus in the middle, leave a bit of space after it just in case. And to get 6 to say 18, 6 times 3 is 18. Then looking at the x's, there's 1 in each, common to both, so I'll cross 1 out there, and pop it on the outside. There's also a y in both, so why not pull the y out? There's nothing else common to both. There's 2 x's on the left-hand side, so we could write xx, but you'd be wrong too, because the posh way of writing it, of course, x squared. And why not put a y after the 3, I hear you ask? You could expand that just to double check it. Part B, please don't tell anybody, but I can't do this question. So instead, I kind of cheat. I'll do the first 2 first of all. You can foil it, claw it. I'm a big fan of the grid, however. So I would grid this one, particularly with 3 brackets. We've got to do 2x minus 3 times by x plus 4. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2 times minus 3 minus 3x. 2x times plus 4 is plus 8x. No shame in using the calculator, to be honest, for 4 times minus 3, minus 12. Always look for the ones that are talking the same language. Positive 8 minus 3 is positive 5x. And the answer goes Harry Potter. Diagon alley. So we'll write out 2x squared plus 5x minus 12, and that picks us up one of the 2 marks. However, in the original question we had to deal with this x plus 3, which until now we've been ignoring. So I need to now supergrid this. The answer to the first 2 brackets times by x plus 3. And we'll start filling them in. X times 2x squared is 2x cubed. X times plus 5x is a nice plus 5x squared. I always like to put the signs in front so I know I've dealt with them. Minus 12 times x is minus 12x. On to the bottom row. 2x squared times plus 3, well 2 times plus 3 is plus 6 with an x squared. 5x times plus 3, well 3 times 5 is a nice positive 15, and we need an x on that one. And plus 3 times minus 12, a minus 36. And we'll group the same ones together. Plus 6x squared, add the 5x squared, that gives me a nice positive 11x squared. Once again, no shame in putting plus 6 plus 5 into the calculator. Group the next ones together. Plus 15 minus 12 is plus 3x. And once again, the answer going Harry Potter. Diagon alley. So on the dotted line, we'll write my 2x cubed plus 11x squared plus 3x minus the 36. Part C of the question. Let's get the bit done that you could have done probably in about year 2. 5 times 2. Nice and easy. 10. X to the 4 times x to the 3. Add those indices. Laws of indices. X to the power of 7. y3 times y2 is y to the 3 plus 2 is 5. And please don't put any pluses or minuses in it or you will lose marks.